We are here in LA shooting our first shopper-facing commercial. We're so excited. We actually have 3 films. One of my favorite parts of producing these films has been the creator casting process. We have had such phenomenal creators asked to be a part of this project, and through the casting process, it just became even more evident how much hard work our creators put into everything that they do. The ethos of the film actually shows that the creators have had mishaps, like we all have, really charming, relatable stories that people probably have lived through themselves that inspired them to find a better product, something that shoppers know won't let them down. And we actually did this interesting exercise to cast where we had creators submit their mishaps, their funny, charming stories that they know that shoppers can relate to. And there's so many good ones that came out, it was really hard to narrow it down. But we found some really charming stories that I think everybody will love, be able to relate to, and that we partnered with our creators to help bring to life. When we talked about launching in the marketplace and producing commercials, the first thing we said is, this has to star our creators. This is actually not really about LTK as a brand. LTK as a platform gives a voice to our creators, gives a space for them to create, gives a space to share with their followers and the marketplace in general, the things that they recommend and who they are. And the commercial that we produce wouldn't be anything less than that. It's really about the creators because they're not just the hero of these spots, they're the heroes of LTK, they're the heroes of the platform. And to tell that story, we were against using actors from the beginning. Our talent is so talented, so hardworking, and real people that people can really trust. And who better to represent them than them? And so if you're a creator interested in becoming part of our project, keep posting and engaging your audience, and we'll do a casting call very soon to hear your story and partner with you to bring a spot to life.